Hey there guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. My name is JT, and in today's vlog we're gonna be doing something different. So first of all, I just want to say I'm recording with my new Canon M50. I don't know about the quality right now. I'm looking at myself, it looks kind of good, but I have no idea how it's gonna turn out back when I do the editing. So hopefully it turns out good. I'm new to all this camera stuff. I'm telling you guys, this is my first ever camera that I purchased, that I own. So I don't know how it's gonna turn out, so please forgive me if it looks bad. And I'm still looking at myself. I apologize if I look that way and that way, because you know the screen is over here and all that. So first time having a freaking screen to the side that I could look at myself. All right, y'all, so chill. Anyways, so today we're gonna be doing my first modification to my truck, which is gonna be a tailgate assist. So basically right now the truck, when you open the tailgate, it goes down quick and it sounds pretty hard. But now, since with this new modification, it's gonna go down slowly. It's gonna look super smooth, and I'm gonna show you guys the whole process of how I'm gonna set it up and all that. It's supposedly super easy for people who've done this before or who like know about cars. I know crap about cars. I literally don't know anything, and also I've never done modifications to trucks or cars, so it's gonna be pretty hard for me, but I'm gonna give it my all. Hey guys, if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe. Please press the subscribe button, please. I'm trying to reach 250 subscribers, and if you guys could share this video, it would mean the world to me. I would love you guys forever. No, not in a weird way, all right, in the friendly way. And also make sure you drop a like and comment down below what you think. Enjoy the rest of the video. Alright y'all, so as you guys can see, this is the Unite Tailgate Assist for the Ford F150 2004 through 2014, and these are the parts for it. Alright, so it's pretty basic. We got the plate nut, shock, pink thread glue, upper ball mount plate and Torx wrench, and the lower ball mount stud. First, we're gonna read the instructions, and we're gonna start off by removing the top of the tailgate. To remove it, you gotta unscrew all the screws that are in this piece right here. 10, I believe so. You gotta take them all apart. After you're done removing all the screws from the tailgate top, we're gonna start removing this screw on the top of the bed. And this is where of course, the bed is, or the tailgate is tied up to. And you gotta loosen it up, and it's a little bit harder than I thought, because I've never done this before, but it was pretty challenging. I kind of hit myself a couple of times here and there when it slipped. Once you got it all removed, you're gonna insert this upper ball mount plate, and it's pretty easy to install this one. All you gotta do is put it underneath the main compartment of the tailgate, and that's it. So now that the upper bolt mount is installed, we're gonna install the bottom one. So the bottom one's pretty challenging because there's a lot of parts to it. The first step to installing the lower ball mount stud is we gotta take this nut that is welded onto this piece of metal. We gotta fold it and attach it to the back. This is gonna help the ball mount screw onto something really tight and not fall off. And as you guys can tell, there's a lot of folding and a lot of jiggling it around, you know, a lot of playing around with it until you manage to get it. And once you got it all the way in, it's gonna be super tight. All right, so the final 2 steps is installing the shock. The top, you just clip it on there and it goes on pretty easily, but the bottom part is the most challenging one. So you gotta do a lot of moving around, a lot of hitting, a lot of challenging things. You guys will see in a moment. As you guys can see, it's pretty hard, but in the end you'll get it. I don't know why, but it was really challenging, but in the end I managed to get it and it was complete. Alright, so as you guys can tell, that was a long process. I thought it was going to be easier than that, but apparently it's not. It's gonna take a lot of work if you're new to doing car modifications and all that, like me. I had never done this before to a car or anything like that, so it's gonna be pretty hard. But you know, I got it done, so I'll show you guys how it works, how smoothly it goes down, so you guys can see. And then, bam! Oh hell yeah! I'm so fucking happy you're